Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video again we are going to make one baby embroidery hook for a baby girl this time, not a boy. So the color combination of this will be the pink. Okay, so now let's get started. You can see I have created the outline on my paper. So and after that I am just copy pasting it on the clothes that I have chose for it. So I started it doing with like first creating an upper part, and after that what I did, like first I created a upper part, then what I did, I again then written down this welcome after figuring out how to where to do it, as seen in the sketch that I have created. So here it is. So then you can see here I have noted down welcome Samriddhi because baby girl name was Samriddhi. So now after doing it I just started stitching it. So you can see I have taken pink color, and after taking a pink color I started doing the satin stitch first on the welcome, because here the main focus will be on our this part, like content part, that was the welcome Samriddhi. So I have not written so many things, so many stuff over here, just written the welcome Samriddhi, and that would be in a darker pink side, so that it get highlighted. So that was the idea behind creating this type of embroidery hook. So this is all ideation I taken from the Pinterest, where I go on and search. So I thought I got some articles objects from there and how to write this. So I just created it on my own and then made this one. So if you guys liked my idea, please do write in the comment box that how is my idea. And after doing it I just started doing the satin stitch on the welcome. As you can see, it's a normal satin stitch, and I have used here double 2 strand like thread, and then after creating it like welcome, doing the satin stitch, same process you can see, and the same color I have chose. I have not given any variation this time, the same color pattern and same way of doing it, writing it, everything, as you can see here, welcome Samriddhi. So now my welcome, yeah, it's sometimes it bit difficult in writing it because you got confused, like MW is the sign where you got confused where to mold your thread and everything. So you see here, so it's basically satin stitch is the easiest one, and it give you a clear image. You can see that how my welcome is looking beautiful. I was really loving creating that because that is the simplest way I can do it, and I really enjoy doing this threading. So that's a wonderful experience that I have. So you can see here how I'm writing it. What the technique of doing the satin stitch is just you have to be very patient with first yourself, because yeah, when you are writing so much, so it's take really a lot of time and a lot of things that you have to take care when you are doing it, because you have to always work on your outlines. If you even go 1 inch then your design will get messed up like anything. So you have to be very clear on what you are writing, and always work on outline, because outline is the thing that gives you a really like a nice structures to do it. You can see here I'm just putting the satin stitch over my outline that I have created. I'm not just even going there and everything. I just following the outlines that I have created, and doing that I created Samriddhi also. So this is the welcome Samriddhi final look. After that I started making my objects. Like as you can see, I have created a baby girl dress, and some toys I have put over there. So it shows that also baby girls wear skirt, top, and there are some toys that first girl will play. So this is the idea, and you can see in the below part also I have created a cake, clock, and weight of the baby to just capture all the things when Samriddhi came in this world. So this is the idea. So after that, you can see I'm creating now the outline for the top, and it's very simple again, the normal stitching, and I'm just here doing the normal stitching. I'm not rolling my thread over it, because when I'll roll the thread, then it will not be look so much, because after you coming in the coming video, you can see that's how I'm doing it while doing the paint and everything. So it just like, if for now I'm just doing the normal stitching, as you can see in the video now. And for the toys, I have just do the satin stitch also, so that give it a nice touch. So you can see the how it's good this toy is looking. I was really in love when I was creating. I was so happy, and seeing that, because it was my third embroidery hook, and it's coming out so well now. So I was just like, oh my god, it's really very beautiful, and I was in love with it. So this is the skirt that I'm creating. So again, the same process, like doing the normal stitching, outlining. You can see, just I'm doing the outlining, and then I'll just now then I'm also creating the object, that is the clock. So the same, the normal stitching, but here the difference is that I'm rolling the thread over it. As you can see here, I'm just rolling the thread over it. So in that way, I have created a clock. After creating a clock, what I did, I just put the needle of it, and after doing the needle, it was some 4 o'clock. So I tried to do it like 4 o'clock a.m. in the morning, she born. So I just wanted to create that. So as you can see here, I'm doing that. So same. So yeah, it's 4:12 a.m. So I was just trying to put that in the things, and similarly, I done all the objects. Like now I am creating a cake. So for the cake also, I've used for the normal stitching. Then as it is a baby girl, so I want to make it extra pinky, so I just made the cake with pink flower, but here I used the lighter shade of pink, and that was coming up very beautiful. As you can see, I have created some knot type flower also on the cake, as it shows that girls like little rose and little glittery things in their lives. So I just put that, and then I'm just putting one like lighter or darker side of pink also. So just give a cake a very the flashy and glittery thing. So now I'm putting the candle, and after putting the candle, I just lit it with the yellow color. So as this was her born date, and then after that I just painted my all the objects that I have created above the top of the. So I just used the lighter shade of a pink, and then I'll give it a good flower also. Like I don't created it with the thread, so I just used it paint, so give it a good thing, like so it's looked nice and bubbly. So I just use the color difference. You can see here I'm using the lighter shade, but in the toy side I will give it a darker pink shade. As you see now, I'm creating a flower with the paint, and seriously, when you look at it was really looking very wonderful, very nice. It was really looking very nice. So now I'm just giving it a the final touch while using the paint, and then in the toy side I will use the same pink color, the darker side of a pink color, and just I painted it, as you can see now. Yep. So this is done, and now I'll just use like again the paint. So I erase that the thing written below, and then after that I use the black color to give the outlining for the above rope that I have created, and showing it like that is just put it over the rope. So now finally I'll paste the picture of my beautiful Samriddhi. So, and she's a very bubbly girl, so I used the different shape to just put the picture of her when she came into this world. So this is it. So that's done. So now for giving it a simple look, I also created some flower. So I used again the mixture of the lighter shade pink and the darker shade pink, because it's a baby girl, so it has to be pink, because we girl love pink color, and pink, red, that is the our color. color. So because we spread happiness, we spread love, so this is our color. So basically then I created it, the different, like little small flower, that's what Samriddhi has given the joy in their parents life. So just a little flower with the lighter and the darker shades, as now I use the lazy daisy type, and then I'm just finishing it with the darker shades, a darker pink color. So as you can see here, so now it's done, all done. Same pattern I have created some more flowers. As you can see, I have first made it on my embroidery hook, and like using the compass, and then same pattern, same process I followed and created that lighter shade and the darker shade. So that's how my design has been end. If you really like it, so this is the final look. You can see that what came, and the parent was really very happy after seeing it, because it shows it is a memory to them. So that's wonderful thing that I've created. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please share, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and keep following my channel, so you can see the more lot videos on this. Thank you. Bye.